Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of Range Rover SV Autobiography by LCD Models. So I bought this model from a Facebook page called Car Collective Online, which deals in diecast models in India. So if you want to buy it, you can get this model from there for 7800 rupees, or you can also get this model from ebay.com for nearly 120 to $30. So subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you have enjoyed this video as well. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.